Welcome to Profit Channels. This is my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and I don't give financial advice. Think of this as entertainment. I just did a video on solar, the ETF, to kind of get a gauge on the industry, and this is Enphase Energy. They are around $32 right now, no dividend, and you can see quarterly they've been making profit. Their revenues are just a little down. Annually, we are down to about 2021, but still making money. Price to earnings, price to share, they're all fine. Solar voltaic and United States, France, Netherlands, and other. Here we have 30 analysts with a price target from 77 to minus or to $20, basically, from 77 to 20. So the average is around 40 or a 25% increase. It says it's a neutral analyst rating. So we've got about equal number of strong buys and sells. But let's look at the chart. This is a weekly chart, and you can see that our point of control is right above us. We have another point of control right here at around 63. And then another one up here at 120. We ran up, bouncing off the 50, all the way to the top, started bouncing off the 100, broke through the 200. Now we are bouncing off the 50, and we're at the bottom of this channel. If I pull out this channel all the way, you can see that I cut off a bit here, right here. But I felt like this had a better line. The midpoint, arguable. We move this down. If I were to say here, it's still a nice midpoint, midline. And then that would be us getting down to $20 per one of the analysts. If I move that back, I'll show you why I like this line. This channel. So we've got point of control above us. And let's do a fib retracement. So if I do the full Monty, fib retracement from the bottom to the top, you can see that our lines are pretty good. Okay, so the 618 is got a nice touch there. This 372 is pretty good here. Okay, so this is I just switched to a different fib line, sorry. A little jump into action. So this is a fib retracement, and I'm coming right from the top here, this peak to the top up here, and we're right down on 168. You see 168 looks good across here. 382 looks good right here. 0.5 is not bad. So I can move this around, and if I put it down here, that matches up with the point of control. That 382 is not bad. And that could get us 618 again, down here closer to $20. But let's keep looking at this let's do a fib extension. So I'm doing, again, this is the full Monty from the bottom. to the top, to the bottom, and this has us right at 381.382. Would get us right back to the top again. That's a big extension. Let's get down here to the daily. And I'm doing it from the bottom to the top to the bottom. And this is a nice, this works out real good. So it's 268. It's got nice touches. 2, 168, 1, 786, and 68 is the better line here. But 786 is bracketing in this. Kind of blow right through 0.5, a little something at the 382. So this could be the bottom. This is a very interesting stock. If I look at our RSI Bollinger Band strategy, we're real far below our moving average. Our stochastic looks like it's trying to turn up on the weekly. We've got a downward trend, and money flow is flat. If I go to the daily, you can see we're at the bottom of this Bollinger Band and ready to move up. And why did we have a up day here? Well, if you look at this news, we got the CEO is buying 5,000 shares of stock. So that's good news. Money flow is kind of trying to turn up. Stochastic is trying to bust out of negative territory. And we're trying to form a trend. If I go to, this is monthly. This is the only chart I'm using monthly. Parabolic SAR and Super Trend are both in sell. Our RSI is looking pretty lousy. Everything's looking pretty lousy here. If we go to the weekly, okay, we got a little battle going on here with the parabolics. Buy, sell, but it jumps quick. Pretty bad RSI. It's not moving up yet. Everything's just real neutral here to negative. And finally, on the daily, everything's negative. Our RSI is trying to cross over. Our squeeze momentum, our histogram is getting less bearish. And the same thing with our MACD. It's trying to cross over. So I'd like to see some strength and a bullish candlestick tomorrow. If I go back to the daily, you can see we've got a little bit of increase in volume here. Go to the weekly. You can see that we're getting quite a bit of, let me get rid of that, Fibonacci, quite a bit of volume increasing, so that we should be approaching the bottom. So is this the bottom? Is it going to run down here to 20? I don't know, but we're real far from our moving averages for a stock that makes money. So I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Talk to you tomorrow.